I'm Carolyn. I just finished the Mindfulness and Horses workshop with Jesse and Matt and Aaliyah. It was, as you can see, mindfulness with these lovely. This is Bella. This is Jesse. Um, there's no words. I'll try my best, but this whole day was amazing. The land, all the animals, especially the horses, was breathtaking. I learned a lot more about myself, of being present, being connected to nature, and being connected to these majestic, energetic beings that once you become into their field, it just draws you in and it just brings you too. It opens up your heart and calms you down, and you're just so relaxed in their presence. So I'm going to take what I experienced today and bring it into my daily life. Approach people this way. If we can do this with horses, we can do this with people. So yeah, thank you, Jesse, for this opportunity, and can't wait for the next one. Come join us.